This short guide explains how to buy shares of Prospect Capital Corp, a NASDAQ-listed business development company trading under the ticker PSEC. Prospect Capital Corp provides private credit and equity to middle-market firms. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. To buy PSEC, you need a broker. I'll use eToro as the example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before placing a purchase. Use the platform search box and type the ticker PSEC to locate the listing. Select the result that shows Prospect Capital Corp on NASDAQ to open the asset page. On the asset page, review the basic company information and the price chart to confirm you have the correct security. Make sure the ticker reads PSEC and the exchange is NASDAQ before proceeding. Tap Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you wish to invest, then carefully review the order details and confirm to place the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued as a pending market order, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Once a trade is executed, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same step-by-step example.